So Conrad Adams was an immigrant. He came over from England in the early 1900s. He worked elsewhere. I think he was in St. Louis. He was involved, I think it was with Pierce. They designed and built the first fire truck. Um, Later moved to South Bend and started Adams Engineering in 1926. I think part of that was the opportunity that he saw with Studebaker and the demand for tool and die and engineering services. He saw the opportunity in the South Bend area, made a commitment to the South Bend area, started Adams Engineering, but was also very involved in the community. So one of the things that he enjoyed most, from what I've been told, was the Rotary Club. He would pull out of the parking lot. We used to have a train track that was running here that ran coal to the university. He backed right into an oncoming train, which was moving slowly, but was so committed to his Rotary meeting that he was going to that he asked other people in the business to clean up the mess of his car wreck and took somebody else's car so that he would be able to hit his meeting on time. It was a way for him to interact with other business owners, start to get a feeling for the innovation that was happening. It was a very exciting time here in South Bend.